So what is a tracking URL? A tracking URL is a useful way of measuring how effective your marketing campaigns are. For example, we could use a tracking URL when we're looking to distribute a piece of content. Take, for example, an ebook. If we were looking to distribute this to our clients, we could do so in a number of different ways. For example, we could distribute this through social media, through email marketing, or even through a pay-per-click ad. But what we want to do is we want to ensure that we are tracking which of these metrics are the most engaging and the most effective. So are we getting more clicks on social media, or are we getting more clicks through our email marketing? So what we can do is use a tracking code to check this. So we could add the ebook in this example to the tracking code and create a tracking code around this, and then add that to our content. So when I post out on Twitter, for example, the tracking code will be included within that post. Then when a user is clicking that link, HubSpot will attribute that click to that UTM that we've created, and therefore we can track the performance against that. We could do it with a gated piece of content as well, and therefore link the UTM to a landing page in HubSpot, and therefore we can push our clients to have to fill out a form or connect with the landing page before getting access to our content.